At the edge of land and water, where rivers breathe into the sea, silence is never truly silent. Here, dead branches rise like sculptures, temporary thrones in a restless world. Upon them sit three birds, still, watchful. They are hunters, travellers and survivors, each shaped by water, light and time. This is their story. Wetlands are among the most productive ecosystems on Earth. They filter water, buffer storms, and feed millions of lives, human and wild alike. For birds, they are both pantry and battlefield. Food is abundant, but competition is fierce. Every movement must be efficient, every mistake costly. These three birds share the same branch, but not the same strategy. Two of these birds glow softly in the morning light, washed in shades of blush and coral. They are roseate spoonbills, among the most striking wading birds in the Americas. Their colour is not decoration, it is diet. Shrimp and tiny crustaceans, rich in natural pigments, stain their feathers over time, turning pale juveniles into living sunsets. But it is their bill that tells the real story. Long, flat, spoon-shaped. Unlike birds that strike or spear, spoonbills feed by feel. They sweep their bills side to side through shallow water, snapping shut the instant they sense movement. It is an ancient technique, one perfected through millions of years of evolution. From Texas to Florida, from mangrove swamps to coastal lagoons, spoonbills are indicators of wetland health. Where the water is clean and alive, they thrive. Where it is not, they disappear. On the lower branch sits a different figure, smaller, darker, and more restrained. This is a tricolored heron. While the spoonbills advertise themselves in colour, the heron relies on subtlety. Its slate-grey body blends into shadow and water, its long legs keeping it just above the surface. Tricolored herons hunt with precision. They stalk slowly, then strike with lightning speed. Fish never see it coming. In a wetland crowded with larger, louder birds, this heron survives by being overlooked. Though they perch side by side, these birds are not companions. They share no alliances, no social bonds. Each is simply tolerating the other, drawn together by geography, not friendship. This quiet coexistence is common in nature. Different species, different niches, the same fragile habitat. But that habitat is shrinking. Wetlands are drained, polluted and fragmented at alarming rates. With every lost marsh, birds like these lose feeding grounds that cannot be replaced. As the light shifts and the air warms, these birds will move on, back into the water, back into motion. They ask nothing of us, only space, only water, only time. In protecting wetlands, we protect far more than birds. We protect balance. And in moments like this, three silhouettes against the sky, we are reminded that nature does not need to be loud to be powerful. Sometimes it simply waits. Birds like these carry history in their bodies. The roseate spoonbill was once pushed to the edge of extinction. In the late 19th century, its feathers, prized for women's hats, nearly erased it from the skies. Entire colonies were destroyed for fashion. What saved the spoonbill was a shift in human awareness, the birth of conservation laws. the realization that beauty, once lost, cannot be manufactured. Their presence here today is not guaranteed, it is earned. The tricolored heron tells a quieter story, less famous, less photographed, yet just as vulnerable. Its survival depends on shallow water at exactly the right depth. Too high and fish scatter. Too low and food disappears. Even small changes in water management, dams, drainage, rising seas, can tip the balance.